Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back. And Bitcoin may be looking to make a comeback, and things are looking good as far as at least for now at this moment of time as I'm speaking. And I've been able to give this call on Discord as well. So 2 days ago, I think, or one day ago, so you can see that this was posted back at 4th of October. Today is maybe 6 or 7. And we actually bought at 27,500, and I am looking for a 32,000. Now the reason why the 32,000 came up is because of the following. Now I'm going to zoom out just a little bit, and I was actually looking at the retest here. So I'm going to talk about the retest, because if I zoom out again, you have this one resistance here, resistance there, and now finally you have come up to break that resistance. So basically this retest right over here is showing a lot of strength right now. So the first retest was this right over there, which for a second here I thought, like, game over right there. But as soon as I saw that, Bitcoin is actually okay, so this is your resistance right over here, and you got the candles coming up, the resistance. So I was like, yeah, this is pretty much a confirmation. This is pretty much a confirmation that maybe just maybe, things are really looking. And this is not like a guess or just a guessing game that is going to go to 32,000. It's very simple. Support, break support, retest, hold as resistance, hold support, support the coin, trade the coin, lose support, don't support the coin. So that has always been the mantra in trading. It's always going to be like that. So basically, yes, the logical price level that Bitcoin has to go up to is probably up to here. Now the second thing is on the daily as well, and I really want to tell you something about the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, I noticed that the RSI is pretty it was pretty oversold right here on the daily time frame, right over there, if you can see that, okay? And as Bitcoin was moving down, the RSI was moving to the upside as well. So we did have a sideways movement, a movement to the upside on the RSI, creating that regular bullish divergence known as that, okay? So we had a regular bullish divergence. Now, the best case scenario for Bitcoin is that if you see Bitcoin coming up to this technical target, we may actually see the RSI climbing up, and that's when we see Bitcoin actually making its move up to $32,000. And there's going to be one very big challenge. If, for example, you see Bitcoin going up here, let me tell you what that challenge is going to be now. So I'm going to drop in one more trend line, and you may see this trend line just like that, okay? So it starts back here, and I'm going to show you that. So one resistance, two, one resistance down there, and now you have the latest rejection right here, which is this one, 3, 4, and this 5 right there. So yeah, if you do have like this break happening, so and you actually go to $32,000, that's where you're going to be hitting your head. It's actually not even 32, but I'm just gonna say 31,140. Okay, so 32 can actually be a wick to the upside to 32 and then come down. Now it will be an awesome scenario, very good scenario, if we see Bitcoin actually breaking above here and move to the upside. But I don't think in 2023 we're going to see Bitcoin above 32, but hopefully I'm going to bring back the bulls maybe next year. And yeah, I mean, it feels nice when I say that, right? So 2024, I may actually bring the bulls back and then try to break above the resistance, and then we're going to go to the upside, hopefully, and then we're going to have fun. I'm just giving this market maybe 6-month maximum time. So I'm looking for the next 6 months, 7 months, and then I'm going to think of releasing the bulls. And that's it for this update on Bitcoin. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.